Steamed egg is a Korean savory egg custard dish. It's a popular side dish that goes well with any Korean meal. Try it with this easy recipe.
How it's supposed to feel.